Hey everybody, I wasn't planning on doing another video today, but I actually got a request for this. I've got two, I'm going to do them in two separate videos because some people are only fans of baseball, some of them are only fans of football, some of them are fans of both. So, fans of both, of course, please watch both videos. But I've got some of these for sale on my eBay. Because I was able to get a hold of them pretty much when Fairfield first put them out, and they're almost impossible to find now. The baseball one's called Hot Corner Box, and it has one hobby pack, 4 total packs, and 2 hits guaranteed in it. And the hits can be memorabilia cards, relic cards, autographs, pretty much anything like that. And then I'll go ahead and give you a quick preview. The football box is called Field Goal Box, and it has 1 autograph card, 1 memorabilia card, 1 hobby pack, plus 3 other packs for the football, which I will do that in a separate video. But today, right now, I'm going to break open the Hot Corner Box. And nice thing about these boxes are no plastic, just rip them open and you're ready to go. Now, it does appear that the card is separate for one of your hits, so I will keep that and save that for later. Actually, there's 2 of them there. But we've got plus you can get, of course, more hits, and actually I feel like I may have hit one because this Top Series 1 2015 is hard. But I got a Topps 2015 Series 1 baseball. I got a 2018 Big League. I have got a 2018 Topps Stadium Club. And I have got another this is a Topps 2016 Series 1 baseball. So, pretty good packs there, really. And then we got 2 separate cards over here that are hits that, we'll save them for last, of course. Keep the suspense going, but let's open this 2016 Topps Baseball Series 1 first. See what we got in here. Sure, we'll have some people we recognize. All right, we start off with, I always have a hard time pronouncing his name, Yang Purvis Solarte for the San Diego Padres. Yeah, right there. San Diego Padres. We have Juan Lagares from the Mets. That's a really cool picture, actually. Juan in there, action picture. We have this one has a this one may be numbered. This is a World Series card for Mike Moustakas, and I'm pretty sure this is a short print. It's either a short print or a low number card because it's 21, but it's made different on the back. Kind of show you what I'm talking about here. That's the card. There's the back. I'll have to look. Then we got the Nationals, the Washington Nationals card here. Looks like Bryce Harper was in on that one. Of course, that's before he was traded to the Phillies this year. No, that's cool. This is a flashback card of Jimmy Fox. I'm sure most people know Jimmy Fox. Good old days of baseball. He played for the Philadelphia Athletics at the time, which are now, of course, the Oakland Athletics. This is Justin Street getting doused for the Angels. This is J.R. Howe from the Dodgers. Zimmerman, Ryan. Never can remember Zimmerman's first name. Ryan Zimmerman from the Washington Nationals. This is Edwin Encarnacion. I always wondered if that was Dave Encarnacion's son. I don't know. Anyway, Toronto Blue Jays, of course. This one is Aaron Hill with the Angels. And we finish this pack off with Phil Hughes from the Twins. So, that's what we got there. This next pack, let's see what we want to do here. I don't really care for Big League too much, to be honest with you. A lot of people like it, so if you do, sorry, just kind of a personal preference. I just really never got into the Big League cards, so I'm going to go ahead and open it for next. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got Zach Graney from the Angels. I mean, don't get me wrong, the Big League pictures are pretty cool the way that, they're made. They're a lot more better action shots. I don't know what it is. I think it's just because I've never gotten a good hit from them. So I think that's the reason I don't come out well. Anyway, Wet Merrifield from the Kansas City Royals. This one's, you gotta be kidding me. There's no way. Hold on. Okay. I got another Zach Granzi card, except it's different. Different cards. But the one thing that I did just realize about this, that yeah, there's just two different cards. But anyways, the part that's weird about it is this one's he's for the I said Angels, I think, but it's actually the Arizona Diamondbacks. But on this one, he's actually in his Twins uniform. So they've got him in both uniforms in the same pack. That's pretty cool. So, anyways, next we got Gregory Polanco from the Pirates. Jeb, I don't know if y'all are subscribed to Jeb's family's channel, Eric's channel, but it's great. I recommend you subscribe. I mean, he does this wonderfully. Like I said, I'm brand new at this, so I'm still learning, but he's just awesome at it. This is Matt Chapman from the Oakland Athletics. Oh, sorry, keep forgetting where the camera's out there. This one here is Mitch Moreland from the Boston Red Sox. This one is Wilson Contreras from the Cubbies. And this is a different card. This is a three-person card. What is this? This is the 2017 all doubles leaders. You got Jose Ramirez, Mookie Betts, and Jedi Lowry. So, I mean, that's a good card. Don't get me wrong. I mean, can't complain there at all. But, it's a pretty decent card there. So, got that there. And then we got Jeff Segura from the Mariners. And finally, we've got Scott Kingsley from the Phillies. And that's all there is next pack. This is the 2018 Stadium Club. Now, I do like Stadium Club. I like the way Stadium Club's pictures and stuff are, so hopefully we'll get something good out of this. Yuli Gurriel, which is from, who the heck is he playing for? It looks like a Boston Red Sox, but I didn't think Gurriel played for the Red Sox. Houston Astros. Okay, I was just looking at the thing wrong. Houston Astros. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, I didn't think he played for them. Okay. Byron Buxton. Of course, Byron Buxton plays for Minnesota Twins. Got there. And then this is a Power Zone card for McCutchen, Andrew McCutchen. It's a nice looking card. So that's a nice one. Salvador Perez. Salvador Perez plays for the Kansas City Royals. And the final one is also Puig, which plays for the Los Angeles Dodgers. So that's his card. Pretty good card. Final, the regular pack is Topps 2015 Series 1 Baseball. And then we'll get into whatever our hits are over there that we got hid. Looks like a pretty... Looks like we might have actually got a hit in this thing. We got Gio Gonzalez from the Nationals. That almost looks like it's a painted card, but it's not. It's a picture. So kind of strange. David Wright. David Wright's from the Mets. Daniel Rava. Daniel Rava plays for the Boston Red Sox. Daniel Murphy, which plays for the Mets. Oh, fantastic. Trout, Cabrera, and Cruz. The league leaders card. That's an awesome card. Love that one. That'll go into a holder. It'll go into a top loader there. And then we got Madison Bumgarner for the World Series card. We got Darvish. Never ever heard of him. Anyway, he plays for the Texas Rangers. I saw Henderson, and this picture, it is a Ricky Henderson card. Wow. That's awesome. This is something called the... I've never opened up these type of 2015 cards. I'm not familiar with them, but this is a an insert card of Ricky Henderson. And it's a pretty awesome looking card. That's the back of it there. I really love my Ricky Henderson cards. I buy his rookie cards every chance I get if I can find it for a good price. Lucas Dora. That's with the Mets. Carl Crawford, which is with the LA Dodgers. Madison Bumgarner again with the San Francisco Giants. Not the same pack, but got him earlier. And Juan Lagares again with New York Mets. Got a couple of them from a couple different packs. That's it. Okay, now going to the one. This is a big league. Looks like a miniature card. It says congratulations. It is of Bobby Crosby. I'm not exactly sure why. Oh, it's a Gowdy card. It's a Gowdy baseball card. I'm highly doubting that it's a true Gowdy baseball card from 1933 or anything like that. My guess is Yeah, my guess is it's just, you know, how they do those reprint things sometimes, but that's what the hit is for that one, and I'll have to check into that one. I'm not exactly sure what that is like that. And then this one's a Kyle Lobstein card, and it's his rookie card, and it is an actual on card autograph for the Detroit Tigers. So that's actually a pretty good hit there. It shows it, you can see it better. So yeah, I'm happy with that one. I'm happy with that hit, but I may be happy with this Gowdy card, but I've just never seen it, so I'll have to find out more about it. But anyway, that is what we got in the hot corner box, and like I said, we will be doing a field goal box here in a little bit in a separate video. So we will see you in a little bit. Until then, have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm trying to gain subscribers, and I'm going to do a big giveaway once I hit 10,000 subscribers. I will tell you that the card that I'm giving away is considered one of the most iconic cards in all of baseball. So hopefully, you know, we can get there quick and I can give that away from my personal collection. All right, thank you. Have a good day.